We've worked closely with Zebra's engineering to develop the most rugged, reliable, and responsive docking and cradling solution for the new ET6 from Zebra.
A Gamber-Johnson docking station is the first step to creating a complete solution for the Zebra ET6. With a wide variety of mounting solutions and peripheral options, this creates an ergonomic solution, providing unique flexibility that can be quickly adapted to a variety of mobile workplace environments. Our patented slam latch allows for one-handed docking and undocking. Secure your streamlined mounting solution with a Gamber-Johnson docking station today.